So guys, let's see our next question. It's Leetcode 846, problem name handoff states. Alice has some number of cards and she wants to rearrange the cards into groups so that each group is of group size and consists of group size consecutive cards. Given an integer array hand where hand of I is the value written on the ith card, an integer group size return true if she can arrange the cards or false. Let me explain this. Let's carry this test case 1 2 3 6 2 3 4 7 8. 1 2 3 6 2 3 4 7 8. Okay, the value of group size is 3. Okay, so we have to check if we can rearrange these cards in the group size of 3, but there is a condition: the card must be consecutive. Okay, so let's check. We can arrange this 1 2 3 first. We can arrange 1 2 3 first, then what's consecutive, then 2 3 4. Okay, and then 6 7 and 8. Okay, this is possible, so we can arrange this, so it's true. Let's see other. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, size is 4. Okay, so let's check if in this group we can arrange this 4 and the 5 remains, so we cannot arrange, so false. So we got our base case condition here. So what's the base case? If the size of array modulo of group size is not equal to 0, then we will return false. So this is our base case. So let's see the intuition first. 1 2 3 6 2 3 4 7 8. So let's see this first. How can we do this? We will use one ordered map. Okay, ordered map. What we do in ordered map, we are storing the frequencies of the elements or any integer in the sorted order. Okay, so if we check this, so frequency of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 2, and 4 is 1, 6 is 1, 7 is 1, 8 is 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is correct. Okay, so we will start from here. We will start from here, or we will start from here. We are taking the first element of this map. Okay, so mp.begin. We will take mp.begin first element. Okay, we will name it at start. Okay, we have to start from here, so we will take this. Okay, and after this we will use a for loop. From where? From I equal to start to I is less than group size. Okay, we will have to take the elements of group size, so we will do this. Okay, and now what we will do, we will take our first element current, whatever a or current, we are marking it current equal to start plus I. So we will use this from 0. We will run loop from I equal to 0 to I is less than group size, and this is our variable. We are using this variable to take the track of the first element from where we will start our group. Okay, so this is the current. Our element will start from this. Now we will check if the frequency of current is 0. If the frequency is 0, then this cannot form group, so we will return false. Okay, return false. And this is main condition if the frequency is 0. Since we see that if the frequency of 1 is 0 here, okay, and we are using this, so we cannot form any group from 1. So if we cannot form any group, so the direct answer is false. So after this condition is checked, then we will reduce the frequency of the current. Okay, frequency of the current, we will reduce it. Now what's next? Now we will do, if the frequency after decreasing becomes 0, then we will erase that element, okay, from this map. this is quite obvious. Like if after decrement the frequency of 1 becomes 0, so there is no need of 1 in this map. If we don't raise it, then it will cause conflict here. Okay, so it will directly return answer false. So that's why we have to decrease this frequency and then check if the frequency becomes 0, so we will erase from this. Okay, so this is our basic pseudocode. So let's code this. We were returning n equal to, we are using an hand array dot size. Okay, now we were using a ordered map. We are putting the value of hand in ordered map. We use this like name mp and mp of I plus plus. It will put out all the elements in the sorted order in the frequency map. Okay, so we will write our base case here. N modulo group size equal to 0. Sorry, is not equal to 0. Okay, now we will write our condition. While ever we have to run, we have to do this. We have to run this code until our map is empty. We will erase the elements, and when our map gets empty, we will, after that we will return our final answer. Okay, so our while loop condition is while MP is not empty. We will run this loop. Okay, now we will use a variable start. Start is mp dot begin. Is the beginning element whose we have to use the first. Like you have to use this one. We are not using frequency, we are using that element. Okay, we will decrement the frequency later. Now we will use a for loop. Int I equal to 0 and I less than group size and I plus plus. Now we are using a variable current. Current will track the first element start plus I. Okay, now we will check if, what will check if the frequency of current is 0 or not. If mp of current equal to 0, we will directly return false. Okay, we will directly return false, and if it's not executed, we will reduce the frequency of current. Now after reducing the frequency, we will erase from map if, what's this, if frequency becomes 0. Okay, so if mp of current equal to 0, then mp dot erase of current. Okay, so we are heading here, and if all these conditions are satisfied, then our final answer will be true. So we will return true here. So let's see if it's run or not. Okay, it's accepted. Now we will submit this. Okay, it's submitted. So this is our code. It's quite normal. So let's wait for another question. Till then, goodbye.